Hey peeps, so today we're gonna go biking together. So let's get to it.
Alright, we're going. Don't worry, the camera.
What?
Don't worry, the camera's secure, so let's go. We're gonna have the video stop outside. Smells. What?
Oh, look at that cat.
Kitty, you can get these.
Who are the people at the pool? Oh,
Squish on this.
I don't know them. Oh, frick. Thank God I didn't hit that car. Hurry. I just saw. Oh. Bro, they put a bike in the pool.
What?
Like an electric bike. Oh wait, look, it's the cat. Want to pet it?
No.
No? Well, go to the left. Left. Alright, well, I'm gonna go pet the cat.
Wait, no. We're just going biking.
Alright.
I'm going to make this video.
I was trying to say hi to the cat.
Wait, stop here. Let me check real quick.
Stop here. Oh!
Okay, go away.
So I can't paddle. So I can't say hi to a cat. Wait.
I was like, what's the point here? Let me check. Oh, it's going down here.
Do this. This is better.
Yeah. let's go.
Oh crap. Do I go forward and you go to the left? I go
Yeah,
right.
let's go.
Alright.
Wait, I didn't say. 3.
Meet you at the other side.
Yeah, our point of view. Ooh, you met.
Alright. I'm gonna take the lead now.
Okay.
Hopefully what?
Hopefully your results are better. I can learn some
Oh crap. Hold on, wait, look at those ducks. Yo, look at these ducks.
What happened?
Look at those ducks, y'all.
Oh, ducks.
Hello. What if, I don't even think it can fly.
Never know. Alright, let's keep going.
They look so cool. I've never seen ducks at their house. I never seen ducks here around my neighborhood before. holding that alive.
I want to go.
Want to go forward?
This camera is just going out of place.
Hold on, I'm gonna deal with it.
Secure it even more. That's better. Alright, let's keep going.
Let's go in front of me. So I'm looking tired already. I'll put a light down.
Thanking the spraying.
Oh, shit.
Wait, it's cars.
Huh? Bro, we're not even in the road. Y'all see that sprinkler? Hold on, Rainer. I need to get sprinkled with water. I hope nobody's in the... Get hit with some water. Hey. Oh, crap. Yo. I think the camera got wet. Oh, there's just a little bit of water.
Go in front of me, please.
Huh?
Go in front of me.
The sprinkler felt good.
I already went to the pool. Let's go. Go.
You can go first.
No, you go.
No, you go. No, you go.
Please.
You go. Oh my god. Alright, bro, I'm gonna go in front of you.
Alright. You're not going to the dump.
Alright, see you on the other side.
What is it?
To the right. To the right, boy. Yep. I'm gonna go home.
No,
Oh, I'm tired.
please. How did you reach a 15-minute strike yet?
Oh, look, wait, oh, look at that cat. Hey, if y'all see. Yeah!
Bro, they're scared.
He's staring at us though. The cat. Oh, he ran. The cat ran. I'm tired.
Please.
Bro, what do you mean?
We've got
Please,
another
I'm
6
tired.
minutes. We have 5
Bro,
minutes.
it's over. Oh. What? Oh, girlfriend. Alright, bro, I'm gonna head home now.
No!
Bro,
If you want to go home, we have to end it all together. We're gonna have to end it all together.
then let's do it.
Wait, no, don't go home. Oh, there's a black cat under the car. No!
Yo, yo!
Just please don't go home.
Bro, I gotta go. I'm tired as hell.
Just 2 more minutes. Wait, bro. 2 more minutes.
Alright, 2 more minutes. 1 more lap.
Yeah. Let's go as fast as we can, right?
What?
Let's go as fast as we can.
Fast? Alright.
Yeah.
Bro, I can't go as fast as I can. I'm tired. What?
Want to end the video?
Yeah.
Alright.
So, my legs are gonna die.
Come on, let's go.
Holy, I'm gonna stop.
Come on, let's go first. The video. Wait.
I feel like I'm gonna have a heart attack.
Oh, yeah. Alright, y'all. So this will be it. Wait. Alright, y'all. So this will be
Hold
it for
on.
me.
You want to keep going?
No.
Alright.
Let's say it together.
So this will be it from backing around
together.
So bye.